Across the vast expanse of southwestern Africa, the Namib Desert stretches, a seemingly endless ocean of sand dunes sculpted by time and wind. This ancient desert, with its rolling dunes and vast open spaces, is a place of both desolation and beauty. The Namib sands have been shaped over millions of years, creating a landscape that is both timeless and ever-changing. The dunes, some of the tallest in the world, rise majestically, their crests sharp and defined, a testament to the power of the elements. It's one of the oldest deserts on earth, its silence and stark beauty holding secrets whispered over millennia. The Namib's history is written in its sands, each grain a story of ancient winds and shifting landscapes. As the sun rises and sets, the desert transforms, its colors shifting from deep reds to golden yellows, painting a picture of serene yet harsh beauty. This unforgiving landscape, where temperatures soar and rainfall, is a rare gift, seems an unlikely place for an oasis. The ground, cracked and parched, tells a tale of relentless heat and scarce water, yet life finds a way to endure, adapting to the harshest of conditions. The Namib is a place where survival is a daily battle, and only the most resilient can thrive. Yet hidden deep within its heart lies Dead Vlei, a place of haunting beauty, a testament to life's enduring spirit. Dead Vlei, with its stark white clay pan and skeletal trees, stands in stark contrast to the surrounding dunes. It is a place where time seems to have stopped, where the remnants of life stand frozen, a silent witness to the desert's relentless march. The Namib, with its towering dunes, some reaching heights that rival skyscrapers, is a land of extremes. These colossal dunes, sculpted by the wind, are constantly shifting, their shapes ever-changing. The sheer scale of these sand mountains is awe-inspiring, a reminder of nature's raw power and beauty. The wind, an artist and a destroyer, constantly reshapes the dunes, their crests like sharp blades cutting the horizon. The wind's ceaseless dance with the sand creates a landscape that is both ephemeral and eternal. Each gust of wind carves new patterns, erasing the old, a continuous cycle of creation and destruction. The sun beats down relentlessly, baking the sand and pushing temperatures to unbearable levels. The heat is intense, a constant presence that shapes the lives of all who dwell here. The sun's rays, unfiltered and fierce, create a landscape that is both beautiful and brutal, but the Namib is not devoid of life. Despite the harsh conditions, a myriad of creatures have adapted to survive here. From the tenacious desert beetle to the elusive sidewinder snake, life finds a way. Each species has evolved unique strategies to cope with the extreme environment, showcasing nature's incredible adaptability. Creatures, both big and small, have adapted to this harsh environment, their survival a testament to nature's ingenuity. The oryx, with its striking horns, roams the desert in search of scarce vegetation, while the tiny gecko scurries across the hot sand, each step a marvel of adaptation. These animals and many others have turned the Namib into a living, breathing ecosystem. And then, nestled amidst the towering dunes, lies an alien landscape, a clay pan known as Dead Vlei, a place where time appears to have stood still. Dead Vlei is a stark reminder of the desert's power and beauty, a place where the past and present coexist in a hauntingly beautiful tableau. The dead trees, standing like sentinels, tell a story of a time when water flowed here, a stark contrast to the arid landscape that surrounds them. Imagine a place where the silence is almost deafening, broken only by the whisper of the wind as it dances across the cracked earth. Here the air is thick with stillness, and the landscape stretches out in an endless expanse of desolation and beauty. This is Dead Vlei, a surreal landscape, seemingly frozen in time. Located in the heart of the Namib desert, it is a place where the past and present coexist in a hauntingly beautiful tableau. Surrounded by towering dunes that glow red-orange in the searing heat, Dead Vlei is a clay pan, its surface baked to a hard, cracked crust. These dunes, some of the highest in the world, stand as silent sentinels, guarding the secrets of this ancient land. This otherworldly scene, once a place of life, is now a graveyard of ancient trees, their skeletal branches reaching towards the heavens like silent pleas. These trees, believed to be over 900 years old, have been preserved by the arid climate, standing as ghostly reminders of a bygone era. These trees, now blackened by the scorching sun, are stark reminders of a time when water flowed through this valley, nourishing life and painting the landscape in vibrant hues. The Salchab River once brought life to this area, creating a thriving ecosystem that has long since vanished. But Dead Vlei, despite its name, is not entirely devoid of life. In the midst of this harsh, unforgiving environment, small pockets of life persist, defying the odds and showcasing nature's incredible resilience. It is in this harsh, unforgiving environment that we witness the incredible resilience of nature, the tenacious grip of life clinging on against all odds. From the smallest insects to the hardiest plants, life finds a way to endure, adapting to the extreme conditions and continuing the cycle of existence in this timeless land. The most striking feature of Dead Vlei is undoubtedly the skeletal remains of the camel thorn trees, their branches reaching skyward like ghostly figures. These trees, standing in stark contrast to the bright orange dunes and the deep blue sky, create a surreal and almost otherworldly landscape. The sight is both haunting and mesmerizing, drawing visitors from around the world to witness this natural wonder. These trees, some over 900 years old, stand as silent sentinels, their gnarled branches casting long shadows across the cracked earth. The shadows stretch and shift with the movement of the sun, creating an ever-changing tapestry on the valley floor. Each tree tells a story of resilience and endurance, having withstood the test of time and the harsh desert conditions. They are stark reminders of a bygone era when the Salchab River flowed through this valley, sustaining a vibrant forest. The river, now long gone, once brought life and vitality to this region, supporting a diverse ecosystem. The contrast between the past and present is striking, highlighting the dramatic changes that have occurred over centuries. The trees, now blackened by the relentless sun, have been preserved by the extreme dryness of the air. This preservation process has turned them into natural monuments, standing as a testament to the power of nature's elements. The sun's rays, while harsh, have played a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of these ancient trees. Their wood, too dry to decompose, has hardened over centuries, transforming them into natural sculptures frozen in time. Each tree, with its unique shape and form, adds to the artistic landscape of Dead Vlei. The intricate patterns of the bark and the twisted branches create a visual feast for those who take the time to observe them closely. They stand as a testament to the power of nature, both to create and to preserve. The juxtaposition of life and death, creation and preservation, is evident in every corner of Dead Vlei. This unique environment serves as a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in nature and the forces that shape our world. These ghostly sentinels, with their twisted branches and gnarled roots, tell a silent story of a time when water flowed freely, sustaining life in this now arid valley. The roots, once reaching deep into the soil for nourishment, now lie exposed and dry, a stark reminder of the valley's transformation. The tree's silent testimony speaks volumes about the passage of time and the ever-changing nature of our planet. They are a haunting reminder of the ephemeral nature of life and the enduring power of nature. The landscape of Dead Vlei, with its ghostly trees and vast desert expanse, evokes a sense of timelessness and mystery. It is a place where the past and present coexist, offering a glimpse into the ancient history of our planet and the forces that continue to shape it. Dead Vlei is a place of extremes, a land where the sun beats down mercilessly, baking the earth and pushing temperatures to their limits. The air is dry, so dry that it seems to suck the moisture from your very lungs. The sand, heated by the intense sun, reflects the heat back up, creating an oven-like effect. The wind, a constant presence, whips across the pan, carrying with it fine particles of sand that sting any exposed skin. It is a harsh and unforgiving environment, one that tests the limits of endurance for any creature daring to venture within its grasp. Yet, despite the relentless heat, the lack of water, and the unforgiving terrain, life persists in Dead Vlei. Hidden beneath the surface and in the most unexpected of places, life finds a way to thrive against all odds.